You have? What's going on? Tell me about this.
We are looking at today's
Okay, so today is Friday.
Friday the 16th.
Bring your phone closer so I can see it. Today's Friday the 16th.
Oh, they have Thursday the 15th.
And
Today's the 16th.
Friday the 16th.
And we start having quakes in San Francisco area around 21 hours, whichever that is, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. And then we had like 10 of them on Mount Diablo. That's today. But they have tomorrow's earthquake listed.
How can they show
on
tomorrow
Saturday
when tomorrow hasn't even happened? It's not even Saturday. Scroll down so I can see that. Get it on my camera. This is some government shit. We just got their ass.
So tomorrow
we're gonna have some quakes, guys.
At 12:26, it's gonna be at 2.3 supposedly, and at 1, at 1.8, and at 2:14, another one, 2.2, and at 3:01, on Diablo 2.2. That's tomorrow. We'll see what happens.
We need to send this
because
to
look
today right now.
Hold on, because today, look, none of the hours are like tomorrow's hours, like 3:01, 2:14. Right. So it's not like a repeat from today.
Right.
Like, why do they have
tomorrow?
Why do they have the latest earthquakes in California past 7 days? But today's Friday. And they have.
So how can they show Saturday?
Saturday.
Because they're creating them.
I mean, we're not in fucking New York, so it couldn't be 12 yet. I mean, we're in goddamn California.
I'm sending this to your earthquake guy right now.